हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। So today I'm gonna react on a song from Zayn Malik, and the song name is Die For Me. So I'm a huge Zayn Malik fan. I loved his song with Jisoo, and I really love his other songs. So I'm pretty excited about it. Okay. Whoa! I always, go Goo Gawa over like his vocals and the way he looks. Like there was a time when Zayn was like into every barber shop in India. Like he literally so famous. My, his vocals, his eyes are looking so sad. Okay, so this song is going into my Spotify. Enemies. Whoa! Whoa, my man Zayn! I love you. Like, why his vocals are so good? Like, I always caution this. Like, his vocals literally touch my heart. Whoa. Die for me! This bridge is so awesome. Whoa. Most. My heart. Just go. Die for me. Literally, Zayn, like, why you're even asking? Like, your fans are literally gonna die for you. Like, we are so die-hearted fans. Like, we can do anything. Most. Die for me. And the whole, video MV is so good. Me go. His vocals are very different. I never find Zayn vocals similar to any pop artist. Like, he is his own genre. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Budgie ho. Face and then swear it's truth. And what I love about Zayn, like his lyrics never gonna be garbage. Like they always have meaning behind his lyrics. His lyrics are always meaningful. I love. Whoa! This is so good. Like let me rewind it. Face and then swear it's truth. This, I love you, you said it loud. His deep voice, like his vocals. Okay. But die for me. But die for me. Me now. You the most. My heart. Let it go. But die for me. This is gonna be into my Spotify, YouTube, on my YouTube, like in loop. I'm gonna hear the hell out of this song. But die for me. Now, of course, baby, how can we leave you? Like, you are our heart. Never let go. Oh! Like, did you see? Like, I always say, like, his vocal has so range. Like, he's hitting high notes so easily. My baby. Who can even believe he have a kid? Like, he literally never, gets old. He looks the same. Yes, baby. Die for me. Me now. The most. We are never leaving you, Zayn. Just keep making these songs, and even if he won't make the songs, we will like always be the person. Okay, so this was the whole song Die For Me. And Zayn, God, that guy literally knows like how to take our heart from our body. Like, man, he's looking so handsome. He was looking so good, first of all. And then second, his vocals, his high notes. And third, the whole, MV, like the background of the MV was so good. It was simple. He was the like alone person in the MV, and it was like whole focus was on him. The lyrics was so meaningful. I love this line, uh, it said you for die for me, and I loved his deep voice that come into middle, and I literally love the song. It's gonna be into the loop, and I recommend people to like just put your headphones and put this song. It literally take you into the another place. I literally loved it. If you love my reaction, please subscribe, because your subscribe matters to me the most, because it can tell me like if you're liking the content or not. Please recommend me anything into the comment section if you want to watch onto the channel. Like the video, share the video to the people who love watching reaction channels. Bye bye, baby. I love you all.